The scariest ending of all. There are many ways the universe could end, but one of the scariest is if it's all just an illusion. If we're living in a false vacuum, our reality could suddenly collapse into a lower energy state, which would not only wipe out everything around us, but everyone in the entire universe. So, let me explain. You see, according to quantum physics, our universe is fundamentally unstable. It's like a ball sitting at the top of a hill. The universe could roll down and reach a lower energy state, but it shouldn't be able to because there's a big hill in the way. That's why physicists theorize that we're actually living in a false vacuum. We're in a state of negative energy. But here's where things get crazy. If we're in a false vacuum, then our universe could suddenly collapse into a lower energy state. Kind of like a ball rolling down a hill. But this isn't your typical ball. This is a bubble of destruction that would expand at the speed of light and wipe out everything in its path. And I mean everything. Stars, planets, galaxies, black holes. Nothing would be able to escape its grasp. It would literally take everything that exists and everything that ever did exist and erase it from existence. It wouldn't just be the physical world that would be destroyed. Time itself would also be destroyed. It would literally be the end of everything. There would be no more space, no more time, no more matter. There would be nothing. It would be the ultimate reset button. And the scariest part is we might not even know it's happening until it's too late. We'd have no warning that the bubble was expanding until it reached us, and by then it would already be too late to escape. So would we even have time to know we're gone? Some physicists say that this scenario is highly unlikely to occur, but others aren't so sure. They say that there is no way to calculate the probability of it happening, and therefore we should prepare for the worst. Either way, this doomsday scenario is definitely something to think about. We just sitting here, sipping our little space drinks, not knowing that our reality could collapse at any moment. So I guess the only thing to do is to enjoy the ride while it lasts. Who knows how long we have before the bubble reaches us and ends everything. So what do you think? Is the false vacuum theory just a bunch of space mumbo-jumbo? Or is there some truth to it? Let me know your thoughts!